Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get a refund on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com, so this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find a big search bar. From here, you can search for any product that you want or also for a shop. Right here, you can see the process of the buying. It's place order. After that, submit for sales. And lastly, sign delivery. So right here in the top right corner, you're going to find the profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. And under it, you're going to find user center, orders, warehouse, parcel, wallet, and lastly, logout. Make sure that you are logged into your account and then click on user center. Once you do that, you're gonna be right here. Here you're gonna find your profile ID. Right here you're gonna find your balance. And there is the top up option and also withdraw option. Right here you're gonna find your Panda buy points, your coupons, and lastly your growth value. So you can go ahead and click on withdraw. And right here you're gonna find a list that includes all of your available withdrawal. As you can see, guys, I don't have any available withdrawals right here. You can also go to wallet. And once you go to wallet, you're going to find your balance right here. As you can see, guys, I don't have any balance. Right here, you're going to find the top up option. And if you have some money on your balance, you can find also the refund option right here. I don't have it because I don't have any money in my balance. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.